Guys, welcome to my channel Magento 2 PWA. Today I'm going to explain you a brief introduction of about PWA and how to install PWA in your local with your Magento. And right now, what is PWA? PWA is a web application. PWA is nothing but progressive web app. It's related to our web technologies, where front-end was front-end was created with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but PWA was created with front-end was created with React, and backend was with Node.js. Depending upon the company's requirement, they use Magento or different frameworks may be used at the backend. So our our agenda is what we are going to show is PWA at the front end, React PWA, React at the front end, and the backend will be using Magento. So I'm going to show you how it works. First, what is a web app? Generally, web app is nothing but in a mobile frequencies. I'll show you an example of Flipkart. Flipkart, we have a website as well as an app. Go to Flipkart. You open your Google and go to Flipkart and see the Flipkart how the interface is there. And you open your Flipkart app is in his app is there also in your phone. It's better to go and see to app and at the same time a website. Compare the both things. Check the what are the difference between that. There are slight differences. That the font size is very small when compared to the app interface. At the same time, you can see the top URL in your mobile phone when you go to a website. So when PWA get implemented, when the application, the project that the website is created with PWA, you cannot see this URL and completely it was font will be looking like it gives just like an app interface. The app when you install an app, how it looks when you go to this website which is created with PWA, you'll be feeling the same experiences. One more advantage of PWA is you can if you don't have internet also you can go to the website and see some sort of contents under the permissions what we have given. Generally, all the users, if they are required, if they are compulsory required, only they are installing their apps. Sometimes, if Flipkart they are using, sometimes like they use only monthly 2 to 3 times. It's not necessary to install the app. They'll be going to the Google and opening the website like this and adding it to their home screen. In such cases, the website should be creating like an app. If the website is created like an app, it looks very beautiful to the customer and he feels good to use it. So the coming next future is PWA, a website like an app. So how it works? I told has already told you it works in an offline without internet. You can access it without internet until some customs. So I'm going to open my terminal and fire the commands and install our PWA. Before installing PWA, you need to install the Node.js in your local. So that first the command sudo apt update. Use this command because I'm not using it right now. To fire the command by clicking on enter. Next sudo apt install node.js npm. Hit on enter. Yeah, I did not run this to command because already Node.js has been installed in my local, so I'm not running it. So you guys, please don't forget to use the command sudo apt upgrade. Hit on enter, and after completing it, type the command sudo apt install node.js npt. Click on enter. After completing it, so check the version of your Node.js. Sudo node version. So my node version is v14.21.2, and at the same time check the npm version. Npm version is 6.14.7. So this is the version. So this before installing your PWA, This is the actual requirement, the versions you have to maintain. If you maintain this version, you will not be getting any error with the following steps. What I'm going to do, you can directly get it, and it will be very easy to install your PWA. So for the installation of PWA, I'm going to my Adobe development, and see here you have a command yarn create the red magento PWA. Copy this command and fire it in a terminal. Control Shift, or I'll just paste it here, write it like this. So hit on enter, and here it's asking to create a pwa-studio project. So I'm creating the file. Sorry, it's not here. It's not good firing the command here. Okay, cd yarn var html. I want to create it here. So var www.html, var www.html. So var www.html. What's going on? Correct var www.html. It's correct, right? Okay, we'll fire it line this way. Yeah, this is correct. Var www.html. So it's better to fire the command here. Can create magento. So directly this PWA folder will be directly getting here on enter. So it's asking to create your root name. I'm creating my root name as PWA magento 45. So this is my file name. On enter, hit on enter, hit on enter, hit on enter. See here you can see with magento 2.3.3, 2.4.4, 2.4. So don't so this supports with your magento 2.2.3, 2.4, but it's better to do in this way. What I'm doing, click on hit on an other, and go to your magento. This is my default magento what I want to link with PWA. So I'm going to copy the base URL and paste it here. So think what is going on in this env file. I'm giving my magento URL. So I'm linking the base URL with magento. So you have your ACEE and MOS. MOS is magento open source. Click on magento open source and hit on enter. Hit on enter. So it directly installs your yarn packages in your local. So I'm hitting on yarn. Enter. Click on for SY. Now click on enter. And the commands are getting run. It takes a few minutes. So please just wait till the commands has been completely run. Here we don't have any problems firing your commands here with sudo apt update and sudo apt installation and checking the version. It is completely fine till here. But here this is not a good, I think, good practice to install here. But you don't know where the file was going on, where the file gets saved. So it's better to give here at where www.html in Ubuntu. Why? Because our files are will be there, but you don't have any confusion where the file is. I feel it was a better practice, so that I have done the same thing. Yeah, I think we are about to complete the installation. All the files are loading. Yes. Now simply copy this CD magento 45. It's nothing but my file name. I'm just going inside of my file. So you came in with HTML PWA magento 45. So where is it? Go here and check it. See, this is my PWA magento 45. So after your firing this command, like yarn create magento pwa, all the files has been created, so all the files are loaded. So this thing, to check the file, where are your files, we came inside of pwa magento 4 and copy this command also. It's nothing but yarn run build create a customer origin, hit on enter. Yeah, the thing was done here. Next, yarn run watch, you can run this command, but if you run this command you'll be getting an error. You can check it. So until here, the thing was you have just linked your pwa with magento base url. Now you have to install pw packages in your magento. So I'm taking opening the other terminal and cd. Now I want to go into my magento root folder. So html magento 45, see, this is my root folder, this is my magento 45. This is my file and this is my front end what I'm looking. So I've just gone into this folder magento 45 right now, what you're seeing here. Now here you have to install the pw packages. Give me a second, I'll show you the commands. Yeah, here is the step, linking pw to your magento. So you don't need to use all these commands, just a process. Simply you can run this command, composer request magento pwa. Okay, just firing pressing the command and firing it. See, composer required magento pwa. These files, the pwa files, will be going and directly loading in your magento root folders. Have magento folders, right? In that magento folders you can see the external folders. After completing it, uh, once click on this file, this command and check the modules, bin magento module status, check the status. Yeah, now you have by firing composer pwa command, some pwa folders, like see, you behind, see magento GraphQL. This is a GraphQL is an API. So these are the folders. Check whether these folders are enabled or not. If the folders are not enabled, I'll tell you when you'll get an errors. So here the process, the all the root folders what have modules what have entered into it are just enabled right now. So directly you can come back to the Magento PWA Magento, and you can clearly fire this command, yarn run watch. I'm just firing it. Let me try a shortcut here. Yarn watch. The shortcut of the command. The command is running successfully. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah. See this HTTPS PWA Magento local. Let's copy this link and paste it here. Click on enter. So click on advanced. Go here. Proceed with the PWA 45. See here. Can you remember what is this homepage? It's your Magento homepage. Go to men's. Click on tops. See you are having the products. Products has been displayed. See these are the products. You can see it in your PWA Vinia. So these are completely Magento products. For confirmation, I'm going to show you men's tops. Here you have men's. And go to Vinia. Men's tops. See, these are the products, Magento products. How these things going on? Anyone guess? So it's happened to the link between Vinia and Magento. We have a small layer called API. Through API called GraphQL, when I hit on this button, the Vinia sends and request to GraphQL. GraphQL sends the request to Magento. It asking some products like he clicked on the tops. What are the products in tops? Then Magento sends a request to GraphQL. GraphQL displays the result here. So this is the graphical result. This is the process what's going on behind. So you can go open this product. The product was successfully opened here. If the product was not successfully opened here, if the product was not successfully opened here, and then I have told you recently I opened the command. Go to here. Check and all these modules are enabled or not. If the modules are disabled here, you'll be getting an error at here 505 PDP page. So that's all for today. Thank you. If this video is compulsory, I mean, if this video is really helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. In next video, I'm going to show here we don't have. I'm going to tell you what is the next video also. Here we have some related products. If you go to the other product, you can see related products and upsell products and cross sell products also. And these products are they are not there. Okay. In next video, I'm going to show you for a product to get all the related products and upsell products and cross sell products. Thank you for today and signing off. Bye bye.